Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 6/7 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 6/7 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. In this case, we want to convert 6/7 to a decimal. So, we simply divide 6 by 7. The answer we get is approximately 0.857142. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 6 as the dividend and 7 as the divisor. Since 7 doesn't fit into 6, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 6, making it 60. How many times does 7 go into 60? Exactly 8 times. We write 8 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 8 by 7 gives us 56. When we subtract 56 from 60, we get a remainder of 4. Next, we add another 0 to the remainder, making it 40. How many times does 7 go into 40? It goes in 5 times, which we write next to the 8 in our quotient, giving us 0.85. Multiplying 7 by 5 gives us 35. We subtract 35 from 40 to get a remainder of 5. Adding another 0 gives us 50. How many times does 7 go into 50? 7 times. We add this 7 to our quotient, making it 0.857. After subtracting 49, 7 times 7, from 50, we get a remainder of 1. Continuing this process, we add another 0 to get 10. How many times does 7 go into 10? 1 time. Adding this 1 to our quotient gives us 0.8571. Subtracting 7 from 10 leaves us with a remainder of 3. We add another 0 to get 30. How many times does 7 go into 30? 4 times. Adding 4 to our quotient gives us 0.85714. Subtracting 28, 7 times 4, from 30 leaves us with a remainder of 2. Finally, adding another 0 gives us 20. How many times does 7 go into 20? 2 times. We add this 2 to our quotient, making it 0.857142. Subtracting 14, 7 times 2, from 20 leaves us with a remainder of 6, and if we continue, we'll start repeating the cycle we just calculated. We stop at 0.857142 for this explanation, but if we continue the division, we would find that the digits after the decimal point start to repeat, forming a recurring decimal. In the case of 6/7, the sequence 857,142 repeats indefinitely. However, for many practical purposes, stopping at this point provides a sufficiently accurate representation of the fraction in decimal form. So, there we have it. The fraction 6/7 converted to a decimal is 0.857142, with the sequence 857,142 repeating indefinitely. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.